leg's going to be difficult. It's going to be really, really tough.
I had a big pain in my right hand side and I couldn't really move my right leg.
The Southern Ocean leg, the big one that I definitely had a lot of respect for and was looking forward to doing myself.
There's nowhere else on Earth that you can experience the conditions.
I definitely left Cape Town the most nervous I think I've ever been before in my life.
This is it, the leg. Every round-the-world sailor wants to do the Southern Ocean, 6,500 nautical miles of treacherous sea. Next stop, Melbourne, Australia.
Leaving Cape Town, we were definitely straight into it. You know, it was big waves, upwind, feeling slightly seasick, but still all right.
The Southern Ocean, surfing downwind in big waves, gives you so much adrenaline. As a passionate sailor, it's the best you can have in the world.
I would say it's almost impossible to be scared because you're so focused on doing your job and doing it right. It's full on and you've got to be switched on all the time.
Well, it was very windy to begin with, like 35, sometimes nearly 40 knots. So it's always tricky on board.
You look around you, you only see white spray flying around. You look to the mast, the sails, the only thing you think is, okay, please don't break, please don't break.
You're so remote and isolated that you have to think of the safety of the crew, and you know, we really took the foot off the throttle, and at some point safety's got to come first.
It's like a burning pain. I was on deck grinding on the aft pedestal and a big wave came, and I don't know, it was really quick, but I think Pete and I both got smashed to the back of the boat.
It's pretty isolated and cold and windy, and it's definitely been as difficult, or if not worse, than what I was expecting.
You know, hopefully we're doing the right things with the setup and the sail configurations that we've been working on. And
then we lost in one night 80 miles on Vestas, Mafre and Dongfeng. And those miles we were never able to catch because they're sailing very fast.
You know, we know how to push the boat and we know where we can gain speed. Got a bit more confidence in the team and in the boat because later on we of course got the 24-hour record.
Finally out of my bunk after 72 hours. Feels amazing.
Doing 537 miles in 24 hours, that sort of shows you how insane it is.
We're a few days out of Melbourne, the weather's come good and can't wait to get into the Dockland.
It's bloody dangerous out there and it's good to be here with the team in one piece. The toughest thing I've done in my life, for sure.